Right, we've got the unboxing of the 3D printer. What's the make and model, Doug?
I don't know.
Awesome, even better.
It's nearly not. You want any some up?
Jeez. Yeah, let's use that. Wait, stop.
See, well, how did that?
That needs to be, eh?
There he is, look at that. Beautiful.
User manual, 3D printer.
Oh wow, comes with resin and everything.
Comes with resin and everything. Pretty good.
And it comes with a tool. Awesome. What else we got? Oh yeah, bits and pieces to scrape the resin off the build plate when it's done. Power. And it's Australian plug too, wow.
Australian plug, brilliant.
And it's got a proper power supply, beautiful.
We'll post this in
Right.
Facebook. Yep, so after you look at that, you just lift
that.
it up.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Wow, well padded, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, need to pull that bottom bit. Oop, she's not going.
If you pull up, I'll just hold it down.
In the backing.
There you go. Ta-da!
Wow. Awesome. That is a nice little package. LCD screen.
LCD screen.
Beautiful. And this comes up. There's a little thingy there, so it pulls up. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
So it'll have a handle in the box there. Look at that.
Small packaging there.
Beautiful build plate.
Nice.
Nice and clean, nice and flat. That's gorgeous. All aluminium. Beautiful. That's gorgeous.
Excellent.
It's going to be a bit of fun. And let me get this out. So come out there. There we go.
Perfect. Yep.
There we go.
Nice.
Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Look at the build quality on that. That's beautiful. One axis. That's aluminium. The build plate's aluminium. That's pretty darn good. That's a high quality machine. I don't think this will be UV protection.
You don't?
I don't think the colour's right.
Okay.
It does say...
It does say lightweight
yeah.
It does say UV protection.
It does, yeah. Interesting.
Okay. Cool.